Okay, hey, today again, we're getting to chapter 2 of Options, Futures, and Other Derivatives. We're looking at the 8th edition by John Hull. Just a quick overview of what you should expect to see in chapter 2. We start off, it's a great chapter on futures contracts. So overall, the main topic is futures contracts, and that's what we're talking about. It's a lot more the mechanics, not necessarily the pricing of them, but how they trade, what they are, whether there's physical settlement or cash settlement, etc. Talks about the difference between futures and forward contracts when it comes to over-the-counter trading versus exchange trading. It talks about daily settlement. Talks briefly about margins. We'll talk a little more about that later. Also talks some about the credit risk involved with them. Also has a nice section, Business Snapshot 2.2 is sort of a look ahead because later in the year we will talk about long-term capital management. It has just a little brief snapshot there. You might want to read it. Talks about actual pricing of a contract. So the quotes transaction to see how you actually would figure out what price you're going to pay. Talks about the different types of traders, whether they're hedgers or speculators. Looks at regulations and accounting for these. Also, just a nice overview. So that's futures contracts, and that's chapter 2. It's still book's still just getting new, so just getting started. So enjoy it.